Hi there, welcome! Pom-poms. Who doesn't love pom-poms? So today we're going to be making, as you guessed it, pom-poms. When I was a kid I made so many pom-poms, so many, and this is how I'd make them, with two discs with a hole in the middle. And wind and wind and wind, around you go, but having to pull the wool through that hole every single time. Goodness me, it took a long time, and I don't know why I never thought about it sooner, but all I needed to do was snip a little hole in, and then you simply, with the two pieces still together, wind and wind and wind and just keep going. Wind to one side and then wind the other, and then you just keep going over and over again until you get a really nice thickness. To make these discs, I simply just got some thick card, a lid and a 2p piece. I drew round the lid, drew around the 2p piece right in the middle, and then I did that twice and cut them both out, and then there you have it, your two discs. Once you've got to a decent thickness, you can just snip off your wool there and take a short length of wool, and then we're going to use this to tie around in a moment. So if we find the gap between the two bits of card, hold it tight there where the wool is and really hold tight onto the hole, and then just use some sharp scissors and snip through the two pieces of card, making sure you really do hold on to the hole here. So snip, snip all the way through, holding on tight there, really important to hold on tight. And then at this stage I insert that piece of wool in before we've snipped all the way around. Insert the piece of wool in so that it's ready to tie in a second. Keep snipping, nearly there, keep holding as well. Okay, there you have it. Pull the wool around, a nice knot, single knot, well just do a single knot, pull really tight and then give it an extra second knot in there. Just give it an extra second knot, and then you can wrap it around again if you like, once you've done another knot, and then simply take it off. There we go. With this method there shouldn't be too many little stray bits, but if there are, just snip them off gently there. And there you have it. Super cute, well done. Another way to make pom-poms is using these ones that you can buy, and you simply unwind them like this, and then you just wind your wool right round like we did before, but obviously you've got two semicircles here, just make sure you wind it round, but lots and lots around there, push them together, snip through, and then add the wool around, tie it in a knot, open it all up, and then there's your pom-pom. But I'm not too keen on that way, the fork way. That is a brilliant way too. First way is my preference, but this fork one is super quick, and if you want a little tiny pom-pom, it works wonders. So I snip a piece first and then insert that in so that we're going to tie that bit around the pom-pom in a minute, and then we just start winding like we did before. Wind, wind, wind. I think with these, really get as thick a round ball as you can around around here now. Once you've got it thick enough, just snip the wool off here and then bring the two ends of the wool we left there from before, bring them up and give a nice single knot, really good pull, and then give another double knot. You can tie it again second time as well if you like. Wonderful. All of the loops that we have here, we're going to get the scissors and we're going to cut through these like we cut through earlier to make a nice nice fat pom-pom. So just snip, snip, snip all the way around. Give it a nice shake and a fluff, and then it just needs a bit of trimming, because whenever you do anything around something square, you'll always need to trim, which is why I prefer the first method, because it just gives you a nice neat shape to begin with. So just take your scissors and just trim round and around, keep going until you've got it as round as you like. And there we have it, another little pom-pom. Super cute. Now if you want to make a dual colour pom-pom, super simple. You just get the 2 or maybe even 3 colours that you want together and then wrap around. In a way that's maybe a bit easier because you're doing 2 strands at once. Just do the same method and there you'll have a multicoloured pom-pom. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, the little red tab just below. Thank you, bye.